This is Biotronix solution forever, wrist CPM device, wrist joint trainer, wrist exerciser, wrist continuous passive motion device. This is the motorized as well as the manual device. This is the motorized unit, this is the controller motorized unit, and this is the wrist CPM. I have already tied the straps and everything. And this is the manual. If you want to use the device manually, you have to plug it out and insert the same in the manual one, and if you want to use the same electronically, you have to plug in the same in the electronic unit. So this is for the manual one. I am putting the same over here. I am showing you the demo of the motorized one. In the motorized one, this is the controller unit. I have to on or off the unit. This is the battery indicator. This is the charger. I have already inserted in the same. So you can see I have inserted a charger again. Now starting the same. This is the indicator, digital indicator. This is the timer indicator, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. So I am putting this value at 20 minutes. This is the start stop button, and this is the speed indicator. This is the force indicator. Speed indication is this one and force indication is this one. So you can adjust the speed from 1 to 9, and you can also adjust the force from 1 to 9. You can see 1 to 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The speed is the speed of speed CPM, and the force is the force by which degree it will open, and I will show you the demo of the same now. This is the operating manual and this is the box of the same. Now I'm starting the device. You can see I'm getting the dorsiflexion motion of the wrist joint. This is the passive dorsiflexion motion. This is the dorsiflexion up to little degree. I have put the value as 2, so I am getting the dorsiflexion up to this degree only. As I increase the force to 9, now you will see I can tighten any of the straps according to my need, according to the patient hand. Now I have set the force into 9. Now you will see that I am getting the fully dorsiflexion up to 80 to 90 degree. So according to patient need, I can put the lesser value as well as the higher value. Now I am increasing or decreasing the speed. Like I have increased the speed to 7. Now we see the variation in the operation. The speed will be increased now, and I will be getting the dorsiflexion motion. If I want the palm flexion motion, then I have to take my hand out, open all the straps, take my hand out and put it the same in this way. So by this way, I will be getting the palmar flexion too. And if I want to use the same in the right or the left hand, then I have to insert the thumb in the same like this, and that will remain unused, and thumb in the same and rest finger in the same. And left hand I already using. You can see thumb in the same and all the 4 fingers in the same. The same will remain unused. So the device is compatible with both the hands as well as for the dorsiflexion as well as the palmar flexion. So for dorsiflexion you have to put your hand like this, and for the palmar flexion you have to rotate your hand, then you will be getting the palmar flexion. You can adjust the degree of the palmar flexion and dorsiflexion
using the force button from 1 to 9 degree, 1 to 9 gears, and also you can vary the speed of the same. The timer you can set 20 to 20, 30 and 40. So this is the digital unit. This is the motorized one for the wrist rehabilitation and all. Thank you for watching.